Cocktail Tony here, and there's a lot of stuff going on in the world. People are punching flight attendants, people are shooting people, stampeding at the concerts. What is the world coming to? I mean, come on, everybody, can't we all just get along? Right? Let's be friendly to everybody. This world is going crazy, and I can't stand it. I don't go out. I'm afraid a dog might bite me. You know? Even the dogs are going crazy. Anyhow, I got a couple of shout-outs. Only one shout-out to give. The other one is on my chest. I don't have to say nothing because I might say something. I'm going to buzz with my cousins, Cam and Teresa at Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. There you go, right there. You know, buzz with your cousin. My cousin's coming soon, and when he comes, I'm going to buzz with my cousin. My shout out, it's going to be Ray O'Brien at It's All About the Cocktail. You guys got to check out Ray. He does some really, really, really good drinks. Please go over his page and view him and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to somebody. And don't subscribe to somebody and then unsubscribe later. That's not nice. The people that do that are turds. You know what a turd is? A turd is not nice. If you're going to subscribe to somebody, stay stuck. Okay? That's all I got to say about that. Karen's making an open mouth over there that I said turd. I got a... Karen?
What?
Why do chickens sit on the eggs?
To hatch the eggs.
No, it's because I don't have chairs.
Okay.
Did I tell you about the two guys that stole the calendar?
No.
They each got 6 months.
That's cute. That's a good one.
Today I'm going to make a cocktail that's going to be called the NightStalker.
Ooh.
It's going to have 1 ounce of vodka, 1.5 ounces of rum, 1 ounce of gin, and 1 ounce of Moscato. And then for a special treat, I'm going to put in 1/2 ounce of 99 Guava. This is 99 proof, 99 Guava. And you're going to like it because I'm going to drink it and I know you're going to like it. Okay? And here we go. And the show is on the road. 1.5 ounces of rum. Whoa, that looks so good already. 1 ounce of vodka. 1 ounce of vodka. I'm sure this is the vodka this time. I didn't start drinking before the show, folks. Sometimes I do, because I have to sample when I'm dishing out. I'm not sampling nothing today. 1 ounce of gin. Whoop. That's a little bit too much gin. 1 ounce of gin. Man, that was on there. Somebody glued it with super glue. 1 ounce of Moscato. It's fizzy Moscato. Fizzy Moscato. It's fizzy Moscato. And 1/2 ounce of 99 Guava, because this is when I'm sampling the Guava. Oh, that smells good. Now I just got to shake. Shaking. How's that?
That was good.
That was good, all right.
You're going to put lime around the rim?
Yep, lime around the rim. There you go. And Cam and Teresa, I almost got, look at that. It's lime around the rim and a lime wedgie. Garnish for the lime. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The NightStalker. Oh. If you drink one of these around 6 o'clock and you doze off, you're going to be stalking the house. Very different cocktail. That's very good too. I kind of like it. Anyhow, Cocktail Tony. Don't forget to buzz with your cuz and see Ray over there. It's all about the cocktails. Subscribe to them. Then get a vaccine. Say hello to your mama. Don't forget to wear a mask. Cocktail Tony, over and out.